what up YouTube? I got my just picked up this Outcast 8S off Marketplace. So I just went through the diffs and everything, made sure everything was straight. I wasn't liking how it was popping wheelies, so I put some more 20 million I put earplugs in the center trans in the diff, and then in the rear diff I put 125 in the front and the rear, but I put 2 earplugs in the back and like 1.5 in the front. Hopefully that'll keep it from wheeling so much. And then it's still good 4-wheel drive and everything, and it's it's pretty locked up. So when I do this, I got all 4 tires are spinning with the 2 off the ground. So make sure everything's straight. And I threw a fan on there, so I'm gonna check out these temps and stuff. So hang tight. I'm gonna get it out here and get it running real quick. It's just stand straight up. It's a little bit more controllable though. I could deal with it. That's full trigger. Balloon. That's good. Yeah, that's much better. I'll be all the way into it. Check the temps after I'm done running. The steering still shitty though. Gear, 41, 133.